Toys R Us is back in time for the holidays. I told you, Tony, you owe me $50. The toy retailer has opened 2 new locations in Houston, Texas and Paramus, New Jersey. But what do real shoppers think of these new stores? To find out, we sent our trusty agents to take photos and video of the new Toys R Us and give us their impressions of the store while they're there. Let's see what they thought. Seriously though, Tony, you're not off the hook. I want my money.
So today I visited Toys R Us in the Galleria in Houston, Texas. And when I got there and I entered the store, I was actually kind of blown away. It's not as big, obviously, it's just a store inside a mall.
So I just visited the new Toys R Us store and I must say it was pretty amazing inside.
Going into the soft opening today of the new revamped Toys R Us was an amazing experience. First of all, just outside of the store, they had the giraffe there greeting customers, taking pictures with the customers. They had staff there. Everybody was warm and welcoming from the very beginning, from outside before you even entered the location.
What makes it different is that it has more interactive displays.
Every single section of the store had like an interactive activity. For example, the Nerf section of the store had an actual target and a little side clear block wall where you can practice aiming at these targets. And it was the coolest thing ever.
They had so many individual stations, such as a Nintendo station. They also had a station, a Lego station, which is really big with these children.
I think that the fact that you can try toys out before you buy them will make the experience a little better and make it more possible for them to sell toys against their competitors.
And they have the hottest toys on display, which is a big help because sometimes you go to big stores and it's hard to locate the items.
And it just brought back a lot of nostalgia to seeing all the toys and the giraffe all over the store. And I just really, really, really loved the store. The layout was fantastic.
The store was the perfect size. It wasn't too big. It wasn't too small.
But my overall experience was great. I definitely will be shopping for like any toys for Christmas or anything like that at Toys R Us.
Overall, the store is very modern and very appealing. I enjoyed my visit to the store and I wish them the best.
There were so many great things there from the employees on. It was an amazing experience. Can't wait to go back.
And I think Toys R Us is doing a really good job with their reboot. It is definitely a store I will continue to visit as my son gets older. And I just think all in all, it was a really great experience for me.